Hello, students of class 10. Hope all are fine. Today we are going to study chapter 8 Climate. So, students, in our previous class we had studied about 4 seasons, isn't it? So, in that first two seasons we have learned, that is the hot and dry summer, the hot and wet or rainy season, or the southwest monsoon. Today we will study the other two seasons, that is the retreating southwest monsoon and the cold and dry winter season or northeast monsoon. So, students, seasons are not fixed in a country, isn't it? So, as you have studied the first two seasons, now you might have come to know that seasons are not fixed. So we can compare the season to a guest, like guest coming to our house, isn't it? And some guest may give so much of happiness, or some guest we may not like them, isn't it? And after a few days they will go back from our house. So here the seasons are also like that. They will stay for few months and they go, and the next season comes. So like hot and dry summer heated the country, then went back. Next came rainy season, gave happiness to everyone, and now it's time for rainy season to go. So students, today we'll learn retreating monsoon. The southwest monsoon starts retreating from North India in early October, and November are known for the retreating monsoon. So here you can see on the map that the blue color winds, they show that they are coming from north towards the south, isn't it? So that we call it as retreating. So here the monsoon, that is the southwest monsoon which had gone to North India, they are coming back to south now. Okay. So reasons for retreating monsoon. What are the reasons for retreating monsoon? The combination of hot temperature, high temperature and humidity gives rise to an oppressive weather. Okay, so this is commonly known as October heat. So in this October heat, you can see day temperature rises due to clear skies. So next we'll see why this monsoon is retreating. So here students, after the hot and dry summer, India had a low pressure, isn't it? So in the southwest monsoon you had seen that in central India there created a low pressure, isn't it, in hot and dry summer. But now the movement of the sun is not northward. So that time in southwest monsoon you had seen that the sun movement is towards northward. So now it is changing. The sun's movement is going towards southward now. Okay. So as it is going towards the southward, there is intense rays is decreasing. Okay, so as we all know that monsoon winds had brought rains to India, so now high pressure zone is created in Indian subcontinent. Okay, earlier it was low pressure in Indian subcontinent. Now in retreating monsoon, you can say in Indian subcontinent it has created high pressure. Okay. due to which the winds are retreating back. So two reasons why the winds are retreating back you can see here, that is the southward movement of the sun, and the Indian subcontinent now have high pressure zone. Okay, so these are the two reasons why monsoon is retreating. Clear? Next you can see cyclonic depressions which originate over Andaman Sea. So the low pressure conditions are transferred to the center of Bay of Bengal by early November. So this shift of low pressure area is marked by cyclonic depressions which originated over Andaman Sea. So some of the cyclonic depressions, they try to cross the eastern coast of southern peninsula. So you can see there heavy and widespread rainfall will be there in the coast of Tamil Nadu and parts of Odisha. So these cyclonic storms move from the northeast to southwest. Okay, so the retreating monsoons are generally dry because the winds are coming from land to sea, isn't it? So it is dry. But when they pick up the moisture from the sea, it gives rainfall to the coastal regions. Okay, especially you can see in Tamil Nadu, Odisha and parts of Karnataka. So the bulk of rainfall you can see in the Coromandel coast, that is the result of a cyclonic depressions rain. You can see it is towards the Coromandel coast. So Coromandel coast is in Tamil Nadu region. Okay. So next we'll see tropical cyclones. So here during the time of retreating monsoon, there is tropical cyclones. So as the word says tropical, the cyclone occurs in tropical zone in southern part of India, comes under the tropical zone. Okay, so it is called a tropical cyclone and is seen in Bay of Bengal. So India has some advantages as well as little disadvantages also from tropical cyclone. So advantage is that they bring heavy rainfall to Tamil Nadu coast or Coromandel coast. So disadvantage is that you can say that they cause great loss of life and property due to heavy rains on eastern coastal regions of India. So next we'll see the North-East Monsoon season. Okay, so here the North-East Monsoon season, the winds they blow from December to February. Okay, so here temperature. So during this time all over India there will be low temperature. Okay, so the temperature remains quite low during the winter months over Indian subcontinent. Temperatures decreases from south to north. So here you can see that there is one important point is that in northeast monsoon the temperature decreases as one moves from south to north. Okay, so as you move from south to north you can see there is decrease of the temperature. So like here you can see the minimum, the mean maximum temperature of the month of January at Trivandrum is as high as 31 degrees Celsius, Chennai 24 degrees Celsius. Temperatures fall below freezing point in higher reaches of Himalayas like Dras Valley in Kashmir near Kargil records minimum temperature of minus 45 degree Celsius. So here you can see as we move from south to north, the temperature is decreasing, isn't it? So, Dras, it is the coldest place in India. So, now you can see the temperature differences. So, here you can see that South India does not experience much difference in season. Why? Because it is very close to the sea. It has got moderate climate. Whereas the North India, it is a continental type of climate they have. So the places are landlocked. So that's why you can see extreme cold is experienced in North India. Next we'll see the excessive cold in North India during this season is due to the following reasons. That is, in the month of February, the cold winds from the Caspian Sea and Turkmenistan bring cold wave over the northwest parts of India. Next you can see Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan experiences continental type of climate as they are located far away from the sea to experience its moderating influence. The next point is that the snowfall in the nearby Himalayan ranges creates cold wave situation. Okay, so these are the 3 points which tells us that why North India has got excessive cold. Okay, next we'll see features of Indian rainfall. So features of Indian rainfall, you can see here 4 important features are there. We can call it as 4 keywords. Okay, so 4 keywords are orographic, unpredictable, unevenly distributed, erratic in nature. Okay, so these are the 4 keywords for the features of Indian rainfall. So here orographic means you can see that in the factors of climate we have already studied that the rains are mainly of relief type, isn't it? The windward slopes of the mountains get more rainfall than the leeward side. Then unpredictable. So in India it is, we cannot predict that when the rain comes, isn't it? So it is unpredictable. Even unevenly distributed. Rainfall is not equally distributed everywhere. Some parts of the country gets less rainfall, some parts of the country get more rainfall, isn't it? Like Chirapunji and all, you can see highest rainfall they receive. Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, Deccan region and all, they receive very less rainfall, isn't it? So it is unevenly distributed. Then erratic in nature, you can see the quantity and the time of occurrence of the rainfall cannot be predicted as the rainfall is erratic. It is because of this uncertainty that sometimes there are floods and sometimes drought condition happening in India. So last we'll see the difference between the three seasons. Okay. So here children, southwest monsoon, you can see these winds blow from June to September. Retreating, you can see these winds, they blow during October and November. North-east monsoon, they blow from December to February. Next we'll see the direction of the wind. So first one, you can see southwest monsoon, direction of these winds is from southwest. Retreating monsoon direction is from northeast. Northeast monsoon direction is from northeast. Okay. So next third point we'll see southwest monsoon, they blow from sea to land and are moisture laden. So they are blowing from sea to land. So the wind is carrying moisture. Retreating monsoon, you can see these winds, they blow from land to sea. So what will happen? Moisture is not there. Northeast monsoon also, these winds, they blow from land to sea. In southwest monsoon, you can see they bring heavy rainfall. This is a high temperature and high humidity season. The pressure is low on the land area and high over surrounding water bodies. In retreating, you can see the temperature changes and the humidity remains high, but rainfall decreases. It is a transition from rainy season to cold, dry winter season. In the time of northeast monsoon, clear skies, pleasant weather with low temperature and low humidity prevails over the Indian region. Southwest monsoon, during these months there is rainfall in the whole subcontinent. Okay. Whereas in retreating monsoon, you can see the coastal areas of Tamil Nadu receives maximum rainfall from these retreating winds. That is due to the cyclonic depression in Andaman and Bay of Bengal, isn't it? In northeast monsoon, when they blow over the Bay of Bengal, they pick up moisture to bring rainfall only to Coromandel coast. So Coromandel coast, it's a place in Tamil Nadu itself, understood? So in northeast monsoon, full Tamil Nadu will not receive rainfall, only Coromandel coast is receiving rainfall. So students, I hope these two seasons are clear to you all. So now we have studied 4 seasons. Okay. I hope all the 4 seasons are clear to you all. So go through the module once again. Read the chapter. Okay. Thank you children. Have a nice